Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 3 Bond Court in Guelph. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom family home in the popular West End. It's got a fully finished walkout basement and rests on a beautiful large pie lot. Now let's go take a look inside. As you step inside, you will notice right away that this home offers a well-planned, open concept layout. The living room features hardwood flooring, a gas fireplace, and large windows that overlook the wooded backyard. The eat-in kitchen provides plenty of cupboard and counter space, including a sit-up bar and plenty of room for a large dining table. The main level also offers the convenience of a 2-piece washroom and has been freshly painted so new owners can simply move their furniture in and enjoy. As we head upstairs, you will notice the fresh new carpet that has been installed on both staircases. The upper level offers 3 spacious bedrooms, including a large master bedroom with a walk-in closet. It also features a 4-piece bathroom and the added bonus of a laundry room just steps from the bedrooms. The finished walkout basement provides an abundance of natural light and provides a great deal of extra living space or the perfect entertainment area. It offers a 4th bedroom if needed, as well as an extra 3-piece bathroom. It also walks out to the lower level deck. You will absolutely love this backyard. It can be enjoyed from either level of the 2-tiered deck. There is a chain link fence at the back, but the property line extends well beyond this fence. There is plenty of room to play and enjoy this large rear yard. Not only is this home outstanding, but the location is terrific. It is within minutes to the Hanlon Expressway, Costco, Zehrs, the West End Rec Center, Markson Park, Mitchell Woods School, and plenty of shopping options. As you can see, this home has plenty to offer. Now before booking your private viewing, please take a look at the links below. We've actually created a full virtual walkthrough of the entire home, including closets, the garage, and even the utility room. I've also included a link below with 360-degree views of the different rooms, a measurement tool that actually allows you to measure the different rooms within the house, and also floor plans. So we're really trying to sell this home virtually and find buyers that are truly qualified to purchase this beautiful home. So thanks a lot for joining me today and have a great day.